Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 1.5 part 2 homework for pre-algebra math today. And then 1.5 adding integers part 2 homework with 46 points on your homework sheet. Name, date, period, students. Due date down here for onliners and homeschoolers. And on these, find the sum. Put your sums over here in these boxes. You got 7 points here for page 1. Page 2, continuation of that, the sum over here. And then down here, evaluate the expression when x equals -8, y equals 4, and then z equals -5. Put that in here. You got 7 points here for page 2. Page 3, continuation of that for 38. And then 39, you got a word problem. What does the direction of the arrow indicate? And then use a single arrow on a number line to represent the sum -4 plus -10. What does the length of the arrow indicate? And then what does the direction of the arrow indicate? Okay, so put your responses here. You got 1, 2, so here's your number line. And then your responses can go in your boxes here. You got 5 points here, page 3. Page 4, you got a hockey problem. Find the player's plus-minus rating for game 1. Put that in here. Find the player's plus-minus rating for game 2. See, game 1, game 2. Put your answers in there. You got 4 points here, page 4. Page 5, continuation. Find the total plus-minus rating for the 2 games. Interpret and apply. Did the player have a better plus-minus rating in game 1 or game 2? Explain means you write down why they have a better in game 1 or game 2. And then 41 is a word problem about checking account. What is your new balance? Put your new balance here. 8 points here for page 5. Page 6, use a calculator to find the sums here. Use a calculator, estimate the sum by rounding to check that your answer is reasonable. So you got it like a 2-part here. Sum, and then estimation here by rounding, and then rounding, and then here's your calculator. Will go in this space here. You got 9 points here, page 6. Page 7, you got a word problem here in part A. Find a position on top of the lake relative to the ice surface. Find a position at the bottom of the lake relative to the ice surface. So you got part A, part B here for this situation. And you got 6 points here for page 7. And that was 1.5 part 2 pre-algebra math homework. Animated PowerPoint math video with AOL.com for course materials or questions. Thank you very much.